Hello my friends, again I am here with another brand new video. Today I am gonna tell you when the market will give you the breakout and when the market will retest the level once again. The strategy is very effective for forex traders, especially who scalp the market. Also this will help to binary traders too because they can reduce the number of losing trades. And as I told you several times that your target should not be win your trade. Rather than your target should be minimize your losing trades. If every day you can minimize your own losing trade, can you imagine what will happen after 2 weeks? After 2 weeks, your winning percentage will be about 90%. Anyways, before dig into details, if you are new watching the channel, please subscribe. Thanks a lot who already subscribed. Join me on the Telegram to receive update regularly. Don't forget to hit the like button if it's helping your daily trading. And write me in the comment section below regarding all of my videos. I really need your appreciation to make great video every time. As you can see, I have bring a chart to make you understand regarding the breakout and retest the level once again. So let me draw the level. The market is an uptrend here. You can see it was a level like this. Here we can see market is almost trying to break the level because if you see the left side, the first here, there is two sellers entry, but in this movement there is no sellers. Rather than we can see gradually buyers increase their force every time here. Strong, quite less strong because the market is almost the level now. Then we can see sellers entry again up to this level. Buyers tried but failed, but this time we can see very strong buyers entry. This is quite sign, but still this is not yet confirmed because after a strong candle sometimes the market can again reverse. Today I am talking about whole chart, not for single candles. Now we can see this is the different from the left side, and again we can see buyers entry. Sellers tried because of this level, but the sellers is very less compared with this level, this sellers or this sellers. The sellers become weaker. It means the sellers got confused. Now again we can see buyers entry. Buyers tried very strongly but failed because still buyers also confused because from this level the market can reach to this level too. Again sellers tried but failed. Buyers tried. Now market is at the level again. It means market is almost breaking the level. We can see, let me make it clean. Rather than enter sellers, we can see buyers are trying, but there is some sellers too because of this. This is the level from where the market is get back to the support level. Now if you combine this three candle, buyers tried, sellers tried up to this level, then failed. Again we can see sellers, this is quite strong, but this candle has some buyers too. This is the on sign that sellers are not enough in this market. So do not go with sellers from here because we know the market is an uptrend, so anytime the market can break the level. Now let me show you what happened after here. Okay, here we can see it was a level and this is the support level. Market is trying sellers entry, buyers entry, but finally buyers enter up to this level. Then this is the round number. Again market reached to this level. Now do you think from here the buyers will enter after this candle? I don't think so. Though the market is breakout here, again retest the level, but after this candle, after watching this candle, the buyers will not enter again. Why? Because from here we can see every time buyers is trying, again trying, sellers entry. This candle also buyers tried. This candle also, this confused candle because still some buyers are interested or sellers also. but this candle, their buyers tried but very strongly fell. It means from here we should not go with buyers, we should not place here higher option. Rather than better to wait for few more candles and then you can decide whether you should go with buyers or sellers. Now let me show you the next chart here. Okay, strongly sellers entry, and I think the sellers is up to this level now. So here we have breakout, then retest the level, but buyers didn't enter because this is very strong candle to this level. So after the strong candle, buyers will not interested in this market. Rather than more sellers will interested in this market. Now we know from this level we have buyers entry, again buyers entry. Do you think after this situation buyers will enter? No, there is no confidence. I have told this point several times. When the market is break any level, this market break the upper side level, if there is no successful breakout. Successful means if the market reach to this level again buyers entry, then this is okay. If this is not successful, it means it fell again, so market will break the level lower side too. Most of the time, about 80% time the market will break the level lower side too, and this is very strong candle to this level. So after this strong candle you should not go with buyers too. Remember my friends, the strategy is not for on minute trading. If you are trading on binary for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, then this is for you. Or the strategy can follow the forex traders too, especially who scalp the market. But if you are a binary trader, then after this strong candle, definitely you can go with buyers, because at least for 1 minute we can expect here buyers entry, but not for long time like 5 to 10 minutes or 15 minutes. The market will not move up. Most of the time it will go down because we have upper side rejection, upper side breakout here. So as I told you, when we have breakout any side, it can upper side or lower side, and the break is not sustainable, then the market will break the other side too, the lower side too. So after this situation, we should not go with buyers. Rather than better to wait for few more candles. So let me show you what happened here. As I told you, if you are 1 minute trader, then you can go with buyers. But if you are placing trade for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, or you are scalping market on the forex, then you should not go with buyers, because the breakout is not real breakout. The breakout is not real breakout. When there is no real breakout, then the breakout will come to downside too. So after this is not a strong buyers candle too. The candle got reject from here. It means there is new low. This is strong sellers entry due to this level, and due to this trend, we have some buyers entry, but it will not successfully. Some traders I saw, they will place here higher option with the stop loss here, but this is wrong, because when we see this kind of breakout, false breakout, then market will break the lower side most of the time. So why we will place here higher option? Rather than we will try to place here lower option, we will try to go with sellers with better price, but not here. We need to wait for next move. So let's check here what happened. Now let me draw the level here, and this will help you to make you understand better. This is the level. We know the market trying to break out the upper side, but it fell now here, and this is the level too, and these round numbers. From here we have some buyers entry, buyers are trying, but there we can see some levels. This is the price action, because after a strong buyers it got stopped. Then we can see buyers entry, again sellers entry. So this is the price level, price action level, and this is, we can consider some levels too. Most of the time the market will touch either this level or this level before move toward to down. Now we don't have any confidence here, but if the market move toward to this level and we have some confirmation, we have some reversal sign here, then we can place here lower option with the stop loss above than this candle. Who are scalper or who are long time traders, then they can place stop loss here. So let me show you the next. Okay, as I have checked here, it was a level because this price action, and it was a level. So in the market, most of the time we will touch either side after breakout, either this level, or it can touch this level too, and then it will go down. So the market moved down from this level, and see after this strong candle, this is also not confirmation that market will go down from this level. After this strong candle also, we can expect buyer's entry up to this level again before breakout the level, because the market is an uptrend. But this candle and this candle confirms that buyers are not in this market. So when the buyers are not in this market, why we will try to go with buyers? Better to follow the sellers from this level. So after this this candle, we can go with sellers here. We can place here lower option with the stop loss above than this level now. If you go with sellers after this candle, then their stop loss should be there. If you go with sellers after this two candle, then I think this level is more than enough to put your stop loss. So I think you understand something better in this chart. When you see any breakout either side, it can upper side or lower side. If it's not a successful breakout, then the market will break the other side, and might be the trend will reverse, but before reverse the trend, the market will touch this level, this support level. Now the market is going toward to down, so the market will make the support level as resistance most of the time. This time the market started go down from this level, but most of the time the market will test this level again, once again, and from this sellers we will have sellers pressure, and from here we can expect sellers entry. Now again we can see here strong sellers, little buyers, but strong force from sellers. After that also we can see strong buyers, Marubozu candle, again buyers entry, but strong sellers. So buyers are trying, but it getting failed. It means the market will go down again. Now the trend is something like this. So it will go down. Anyway, let me show you the another chart. Okay, so before digging into details on the chart, let me draw the level first. We can see this is seller's entry level, it means resistance level, and this is support level. From here, the market was uptrend like this, but from here we can see here after reaching this level we can see strong buyers. Now buyers become little weaker. This time there is no buyers, but still there is no sellers strong, because sellers got confused, buyers also got confused. As this is buyers level, the trend is off, so there we don't have strong sellers, but there is a strong candle and there is gap, so we have some sellers. Now we can see the level has been broken this side. Now according to the previous chart, if the level is not successfully break, then the market will move up, something like this. But still there is no symptom. So we can see this is reversal candle and this is round number, this is a level 2. So we can see buyer's entry and it got reject from this level. Still there is gap, so we have the buyer's candle, but now the gap has been filled and the support become now resistance. Again we can see seller's entry, but this candle made a new high, so still some buyers are there, therefore we can see buyer's entry, again seller's entry, but here we can see some buyers because the trend, all over trend was uptrend. Now this is very strong rejection by the seller. So every time market is touching this level and it got rejected. Every time touching. So I think there is some symptom that market is trying to go down from here, because this breakout and market is trying to go up, but the market unable to break the level, break the support levels now, because it was support level, now it's become a resistance level. So before sellers entry there, we can expect some activities by the buyers because of the market trend. Now after this candle and this scenario, we can go with sellers for short time from here with the stop loss above than this level, little above than this level. So most of the time you can win your trade here, because the breakout is going to be successfully breakout. According to this market condition, the breakout is going to be successfully. Now let me check. Okay, we can see now it was a level. Now the level becomes something like this. Say it was previous high and here it touched, so it means this is double top pattern now. So after double top and the previous support become resistance, we have some sellers entry, but still we have some buyers too. From here definitely we can go with sellers. Why? Because this is now trend line, this is now resistance line. So every time market is making new low here, this is high, this is little low, again this is little low, but still there is no strong force from sellers. Why? Because this side there is no new low, so market is going little narrow, something like this. This is the market movement now, but we can go with sellers to fill this gap to this level at least. From here we can place here lower option and stop loss with the previous, little above than the previous high. Now let me check. Okay, sellers entry. Finally again we can see some buyers. See, it will happen on the market because this is a strong level, this is round numbers 2 and market was moving like this. There is no new high, so sellers entry, again buyers entry, but this is the real breakout. The market movement is like this, then we can draw this level here. Maybe this is not correct, yeah, little breakout but buyers entry, but from here the market will go down either from this level, this is a strong level, so from this level mostly the market will go down, or market can touch this level too again. If after touching this level we have some reversal content, something like this, then we can go with sellers again with the stop loss above than this level. So I think you have understand. Now let me check here. Okay, sellers entry, but this is not strong sellers. This candle there are some buyers, again buyers interested, again buyers interested. There is no new low yet and it was previous level. Let me check. Okay, this is very strong level too. So after this we may expect another red candle too, but after that maybe the market will try to move up, or if there is strong sellers, something like this, then there we will have on buyers candle. After that market will go down. So I hope you understand what I was talking about in this video. Try to take care all of your trades that you have taken every day. If you lost your money from your pocket, then it's not easy to bring back. If you learned something from the video, then don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to share the video with your friends. Write me on the comment section below what you are looking for. I will try my best to make you understand. Till then, take care.